What if one man could change the fate of a nation in just one night? When pressure was at its peak, when defeat looked certain, and when millions had almost lost hope, one man stood firm. This is not just a story of cricket. This is a story of courage, pain, passion, and never giving up. From a young boy who moved countries with big dreams to the warrior who carried England to its greatest moments, this is the inspiring journey of Ben Stokes. Stay with us because this story will show you what true strength really means.
Benjamin Andrew Stokes, known to the cricketing world simply as Ben Stokes, is one of the most influential and charismatic all-rounders of modern cricket. Renowned for his fearless batting, match-winning bowling spells, electric fielding, and unbreakable competitive spirit, Stokes has played a defining role in England's greatest cricketing moments of the 21st century. His career is a story of resilience, redemption, leadership, and extraordinary talent, one that has inspired millions of fans across the globe. Early life and family background. Ben Stokes was born on 4 June 1991 in Christchurch, New Zealand. Cricket was always close to his heart, largely due to his father, Gerard Stokes, who was a former rugby league international for New Zealand. When Ben was 12 years old, his family moved to England, settling in Cumbria after his father accepted a coaching role in rugby league. Growing up in England, Stokes displayed a natural flair for sports. Although rugby was prominent in his household, cricket became his true calling. He attended Cockermouth School, where his athletic ability and competitive nature quickly stood out. From a young age, he showed signs of being a complete cricketer, strong, aggressive, and mentally tough. Domestic cricket and early promise. Stokes's professional cricket journey began with Durham County Cricket Club, where he made his debut in 2009. Even in his early years, he was known for his explosive batting and ability to influence games with both bat and ball. His breakthrough season came in 2012 when he scored his maiden first-class century and began to attract attention as a genuine all-round prospect. Durham provided Stokes with the perfect environment to grow. He developed his signature style, powerful stroke play, particularly on the offside, combined with fast medium bowling that relied on energy, bounce, and aggression rather than sheer pace. His performances in county cricket made it clear that he was destined for the international stage. International debut and early challenges. Ben Stokes made his Test debut for England in 2013 against Australia during the Ashes series. While his early international career showed flashes of brilliance, consistency was initially a challenge. Like many aggressive all-rounders, Stokes had to learn how to balance attacking instincts with responsibility. His first major international success came during England's tour of the West Indies in 2015, where he scored a magnificent century in Grenada. This innings announced his arrival as a serious Test cricketer. Around the same time, he also began to establish himself in limited overs formats, particularly one-day internationals, or ODIs, where his power hitting and athleticism were invaluable. Rise as a world-class all-rounder. Between 2016 and 2019, Ben Stokes evolved into one of the world's premier all-rounders. His ability to change the course of a match in a single session made him indispensable to England across all formats. He became known for thriving under pressure. Situations where others faltered often brought the best in him. One of his most remarkable Test performances came in 2016 against South Africa, where he smashed the fastest Test double century by an England player. This innings showcased not only his power, but also his stamina and hunger for big moments. 2019, the year that defined a legend. The year 2019 stands as the defining chapter of Ben Stokes' career. Cricket World Cup glory. In the ICC Cricket World Cup Final 2019 against New Zealand, Ben Stokes played one of the most dramatic innings in cricket history. Chasing a challenging target at Lord's, England found themselves in deep trouble. Stokes anchored the innings, fighting through cramps, pressure, and mounting tension to force a tie. In the super over that followed, Stokes once again held his nerve. England went on to win the World Cup on boundary count, an historic moment that delivered England their first ever ODI World Cup title. Stokes' calm under pressure and refusal to give up made him the undisputed hero of the final. Headingley miracle. Just weeks later, during the Ashes Test at Headingley, Stokes produced one of the greatest Test innings of all time. Chasing 359 runs with only one wicket remaining, Stokes played an astonishing unbeaten 135 runs, combining patience with audacious stroke play. His sixes under pressure and clever strike rotation with tail-ender Jack Leach stunned Australia and the cricketing world. This innings cemented his status as a modern-day great and is often compared to the finest moments in Test cricket history. Leadership and captaincy. Stokes' leadership qualities became increasingly evident over time. In 2022, he was appointed Test captain of England, taking over at a challenging period for the team. Alongside coach Bernard McCullum, Stokes introduced a bold, attacking philosophy, often referred to as baseball. Under his captaincy, England adopted a fearless approach, aggressive batting, proactive declarations, and a strong emphasis on positivity. Stokes led by example, encouraging players to express themselves and play without fear of failure. His leadership revitalized England's Test side and brought excitement back to the longest format of the game. Playing style and strengths. Ben Stokes is the definition of a complete cricketer. Batting, a left-handed batsman known for power, timing, and bravery. He excels in pressure situations and can adapt his style to match conditions. Bowling, a right-arm fast-medium bowler who delivers crucial breakthroughs, especially when the team needs inspiration. Fielding, among the best fielders of his generation, quick, agile, and fearless near the boundary. Mental strength, perhaps his greatest asset. Stokes thrives when the stakes are highest. Personal struggles and resilience. Stokes' journey has not been without challenges. He has spoken openly about mental health struggles, personal loss, and the pressures of elite sport. The death of his father in 2020 deeply affected him, leading to periods away from cricket. Rather than hiding these struggles, Stokes chose honesty and vulnerability, becoming a strong advocate for mental well-being in professional sports. His openness has helped break stigmas and inspired countless athletes to prioritize mental health alongside performance. Achievements and legacy. Some of Ben Stokes' most notable achievements include ICC Cricket World Cup winner 2019, England's greatest modern all-rounder, multiple match-winning performances across formats, inspirational Test captain, renowned for two of the greatest innings in cricket history. Beyond statistics, Stokes' legacy lies in impact, the ability to change games, lift teammates, and inspire belief when hope seems lost. Conclusion? Ben Stokes is more than just a cricketer. He is a symbol of courage, resilience, and relentless determination. From a young boy who moved continents to chase his dreams to the man who carried a nation's hopes on his shoulders, his journey is extraordinary. In an era dominated by specialization, Stokes stands out as a true all-rounder in every sense, physically, mentally, and emotionally. His story will be told for generations, not only for the trophies he won, but for the moments when he refused to give up and showed the world what greatness truly looks like. Ben Stokes is not just remembered for how he played the game, but for how he changed it.